Let's say you started to learn riding a car, and after 100 hours, you riding it like fucking hell, yeah. Or started playing a new game or learning to play a guitar. You can do everything. If you give me 100 hours, I'll make you dangerous. Not average, not decent, not a maybe one day hobbyist. I'm talking about you being the one who gets DMs like, yo, how did you learn that so fast? Forget the 10,000-hour myth. This will go straight into your bones for sure. First, let's understand why this works. Most skills aren't as hard as they seem. People just waste time on the wrong things. They get stuck in tutorial hell, watching videos but never doing anything, or they practice aimlessly without a plan. The 100-hour rule fixes this by focusing on 3 things. The 20% that gives 80% of results, Pareto principle. Deliberate practice, not just mindless repetition. Real-world testing. Don't worry, we'll go one by one. By following this method, in 100 hours I went from never touching a camera to editing for a YouTuber with 300k subs. How to pick the right skill. Now, not all skills are equal. Some take a lot of time to master, like chess or violin. But I learned chess in 1 month itself. Anyway, others you can get really good at in just 100 hours. Here's how to pick the right. Rule 1. High reward, low time sink. Pick something that gives you a big advantage but doesn't take forever. Example. Learning to negotiate can save you thousands of dollars. Learning to edit videos can get you paid. Learning to speed read can save you hundreds of hours. Rule 2. Fun plus useful. If you hate it, you'll quit. So, don't pick a skill just because others are doing it. Pick the one that you really love. Example. If you love music, beatboxing might be more fun than piano. If you love gaming, learning game design might be more fun than coding. Rule 3. Weird, calm, better. Example. Meme making, voice impressions. These are rare skills that make you memorable. Okay, sorry for wasting too much of your time. Here's exactly how you're going to spend those 100 hours. Remember, this is not practice a little every day. This is a strategic attack. Yeah, we're going to build a strategy. Phase 1, crash course brutality, first 20 hours. You're going to spend the first 20 hours binge learning. Don't just watch, do. I'll give you an example. If you're learning video editing, edit 10 short clips in 1 day. Just aim for the top. If you're learning persuasion, practice 3 scripts until they're automatic. This phase is about exposure. Here, you're not good yet, but you're building a mental map of the skill. Let's say you started playing a game Free Fire, PUBG, or whatever it is. You are now gaining the knowledge, like how to play, how to use settings, just something like that. Phase 2, real-world testing, next 40 hours. Now, you go out and suck. Yes, suck. Because failure is the best teacher, dude. Yeah, it feels hard to handle failure after putting so much effort. But if you feel hard, there's already a video about failure in our channel. I'm sure you won't fear failure after that. Suppose, if you're learning public speaking, go do 5 terrible open mic nights. This phase is where most people quit. But if you push through, you'll improve faster than you ever thought possible. Phase 3, sharpening the blade, final 40 hours. Now, here, you refine. Cut down what doesn't work, double down on what does, and mark it down. If you're learning photography, delete your 100 worst shots and analyze the 10 best. By now, you're not just okay, you're dangerously competent. Remember, to become this dangerous, you must complete the previous phase with discipline. Okay, you may ask, why this beats 1% better every day? Bro, 1% improve every day is too slow. You need to be more consistent and disciplined. Each and every day is important. The 100-hour rule is about focused sprints. This isn't about slow and steady. It's about shocking your brain into skill acquisition. You have the clear knowledge about the target and how much hour you're going to spend. Percent better every day. Walking up a gentle slope takes forever. 100-hour rule. Climbing a cliff with a rope, hard but fast. I'm sure you experienced this, maybe like learning a new game. When I started my editing journey, these settings felt like, oh, what the hell is this? No way I am going to learn this. But just 1 month of putting some effort, just like that. I learned basic editings. Now it feels like, oh, it's stupid simple. Commit to 100 hours. Track your progress. And in 3 months, you'll be better than most people who've been dabbling for years. Now go get dangerous.